ChatGPT just got a major upgrade. And it's not just smarter, it's like having an AI super assistant in your pocket. Here's what's new and why it matters for you. First up, ChatGPT can now browse the internet in real time. No more outdated answers. You'll always get the latest info, news, and trends instantly. Next, built-in image generation. Just type what you imagine, and ChatGPT creates stunning visuals instantly, from business graphics to viral memes. This update introduces memory. ChatGPT can now remember your preferences, style, and past conversations, like a personal assistant that knows you better each day. This isn't just cool, and it's a game changer. From students to entrepreneurs, this update means faster learning, better productivity, and more creativity. Want to see these new features in action? Stick around. I'll show you how to unlock them in my next video.